from Karan Builders, and today I'm standing at Kirti Nagar, and today I'm gonna show you the property of 200 square yards. The builder has converted this property from old construction to new construction. Let me show you the staircase area. So this is the staircase area. As you can see, the builder has put the lights here. As you can see that how the builder has designed the very beautifully the staircase area, and the builder has put each and every light here. So moving on, we can see this is the pattern which the builder has given here. So let me show you the 3 BHK builder floor. So let me take you towards the house. So this is the living and the dining area. As you can see that it is very spacious here, and this is the POP design. As you can see, they have designed very beautifully, and the lights are looking very amazing here. You can see the back panels. This is the TV cabinet area, and the best part is within 2 months you will get the possession here, because जो काम है वो 2 महीने में खत्म हो जाएगा. So this is the main entry, and this is the living and the staircase area from this, and this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. Here you can put your refrigerator, and this is the area for your OTG and your oven area. As you can see that there is a lots and lots of space for keeping your utensils and everything. And this is the chimney area. This all are the storage on the left side and the right side. As you can see, there is a lots and lots of space in the kitchen, and on the top you can see that how beautifully designed the builder, how beautifully builder has done this POP work. And the best part in this kitchen is, from the kitchen there is a connectivity to the main balcony, which I can show. Front balcony. This is the front balcony area, and just opposite there is a park. Also you can enjoy your tea, coffee here. This is the work which the builder has done upward. Right? After this kitchen, there are. So after the kitchen area, there are the 2 bedrooms here on this left side, and this is the second bedroom. When you come here and see this floor, you can't even imagine the builder has buy the old construction and change the old construction into the new construction, because the builder has done the very beautifully work here. Nobody can feel that this is the old construction. So let me take you to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Amazing. The builder has done this, the POP work. This is looking very amazing, very spacious bedroom, and the best part is the natural lights is coming here. Very spacious, and you can see that this is the wardrobe area. This is the first bedroom, and it is a very wide bedroom, very spacious bedroom, and the best part is the natural lights are coming here, and this is the area where you can put the couch here, or you can put a small bed for your toddler. And so this is the TV cabinet area. And in this bedroom, the builder has given the 2 wardrobes to you guys. First, which I already showed you, and the second is very spacious wardrobes. Here there are the drawers, and they have used the very soft hinges here. And after this wardrobe, there is the connectivity to the bathroom. The bathroom area. And here the builder will be dividing this part with the glass, the bath area and this area. And there is a ventilation area, and the natural light is obviously coming here also. This is the vanity area, and the taps we are using is the brand of Grove. Show you the second bedroom here. Oh my god, this gives me a feel like that I am standing at somewhere not in Delhi. So this is the second bedroom. The work has been done by the builder. As you can see, this POP design on the wall, it's looking so amazing. The showpiece part, the lights, Lights अभी यहाँ पे लगनी है, but amazing work. It's looking so nice. And this is the wardrobe area. Wardrobe area, very spacious. Again, there are 2 drawers. And this is the TV cabinet area, very spacious bedroom. And again, the best part is the natural lights. This is the master bedroom, and there is a connectivity to the bathroom. This is the bath area. Again, there will be a glass coming here, and this is the seat area, and this will be converted into the vanity area. This is the POP work. A big glass will be coming here, and the best part of this is connecting with the tunnel wardrobe. Very spacious wardrobe. The builder has designed this floor. Nobody can judge that this was the old construction. Towards the last bedroom. This is the last and the third bedroom of this floor. The imported marble the builder has done. This is the third bedroom. Again, natural light, and this bedroom is attached with the balcony. It is very spacious, and I just like this work, how beautifully the builder has changed the wall. And yes, this is the bedroom area, the sitting area, or you can convert this into the study area. This bedroom is attached with this bathroom. Very spacious. Grey and black the builder has done on the bed. It will be coming here, and this is the vanity area. This is the sun-facing floor, and the best part, again, it is a 3-side corner flat, ventilated house, lots and lots of natural light here. This is the wall-to-wall wardrobe connected with this bedroom. This is the whole overview which I already given you of this property. Again, I am telling you that this property is of 200 square yards. The location is Kirti Nagar, very near to the metro station, and the builder has done this, and the builder has converted this property from old construction to the new construction. Each and everything of this floor has been changed, and this is the first floor available, and anyone who is interested can give us the call on the below mentioned number, and do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like the video.